Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be exploring Soho's Colour Factory Museum. I think one of the coolest features of the museum is that it actually had lots of Instagrammable spots around the place that had built-in cameras that would connect to your email address, so after you got to see all the cool photos taken. The Colour Factory also encouraged surprise attacks, as seen here. Frolicking around in this ball pit made us feel like children again. It was awesome to take photos and literally go back to your childhood. The slide was magical and I reckon we spent probably close to half an hour just playing here. It was a super cool experience. This was another super cool room that really made you interact and think about the colour process with either the other person you're with or people in your party. And there were quite a few things that you could take away from here, like take home was very awesome. If you're a fan of silent discos, the Colour Factory is definitely the one for you. They had this dedicated room to listening to all your favourite music. It was really fun, and as you can see there weren't really other people in here, so you can dance like no one's watching. And again, here's another keepsake for you to take home. Throughout there were plenty of nice mementos to remember your experience there.
If you're enjoying our video, now might be a great time to subscribe to our channel as there's much more to come.
So not only was the Colour Factory a super fun and super interactive experience, it was also quite educational. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of unique colours and the unique story behind them.
Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, hit the like and subscribe buttons as there's much more to come.